Yeah, I be flexing, you know that I'm up now. Young nigga that you gotta check. Fuck around in the account, bout to bust down. Young nigga that blew up a bag. I mean, racks up. No. Screaming on the no.
Yo, what's going on, you guys? It's Brooks Customs, and today we here with another one. So, you know, we're gonna change it up a little. I got a mind a mess. I'm gonna get y'all updated on a few things, but today we doing a day in the life of Brooks Customs. You know what I'm saying? I'm here working on a 2018 Camaro SS. It's been in an accident, front end damage, not too severe, you know, something, a light little fender bender. So I'm gonna bring y'all in the steps of me rebuilding it. Y'all ready? Let's get it. Here's the SS, you know, Camaro gang. I already took the front bumper off. As you can see, this was where the accident, most of the impact were. The headlight went right here, you know, the grill. I'll show y'all up front, but yeah, let's take a look, man. No airbags deployed or anything like that. So I already removed the front end. I have a new cup. All right, as you can see, this is the factory headlight, you know, OEM. I'm replacing with a new one from Chevy dealership. So you can see the tabs broke, but we're gonna keep this headlight and bring it back for a car for the core charge, you know, so we won't get charged extra, man. Gotta save money wherever you can. All right. Show y'all how it look. So boom, you know, this was where it once was. Now we got a little bit of damage right here. So next is me pulling off this fender, and I have a replacement fender where I'm gonna put on, mark it up, get the body line, put the headlight in, and we go from there. Damn parts. So now, we're gonna start the process. You know, I have the solder iron, I have the solder, and with this, how it's set up, basically it all falls into place. You see what I'm saying? Like, there are thin wires, you know, the thin ones, they line up, you know what I'm saying? Like, just a little bit. We're just gonna work like that, get it all situated, you know? I'm really gonna start from the outside and work my way in, really and truly. And there you can see that. Nice and clean so far. Yeah. So now I can solder it, you know? I'm gonna go ahead and warm it up. I'm gonna put some solder over it. Trying to do it so y'all can see as much as possible. Now you see, I'm just getting the back side of it, so everything could be filled with solder. Shit in there perfect, boy. Everything on up A1. Like I said, just waiting on the grills now. We good money. I got the lights to work as well. little imperfections in there I see, but overall,
Nigga, I give him 2 shots. Nah, smoking marijuana, CeeLo Keenan, I'm a rock star. Posted with the gang, nigga, posted with the shots. Nigga really try me like a problem, I'm a solver. Nigga,